Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see Redis search module and Redis. So let's get started with today's video. So Redis search module is mostly used for full text search or like secondary indexing to Redis. So if you do want to a full text search searching books or articles, then you can use that, or like anything you want to filter by price or date, then you can use. So here some are the basics commands of Redis search that you can use. So ft create will create a full text search index. So after that, search will perform a full text search query that index that you have created. So then ft add will add a document to the index that we have created. Then delete will delete that document from the index. And suggestion add is like adding a suggestion to the autocomplete dictionary. So this suggestions one is like you can see in location. If you search a location, so there are some matching drop downs that you will get. So that is like this suggestion add and suggestion get will do. So first let me show you some data which I have already created. So write hget all book and one. So this is one key I'm having, then book 2, book 3. So like this hashes I have created, 3 hashes I have. So now let's create index on that. For that we will be using ft.create. So books index, that is the name of index, and on hash prefix will be there, that should be book, and after that book any index will be fine. Then schema, title, text, and price is numeric basically. So now let's search. So write ft.search and books index we will be searching, and then we will be passing title of book. So let's say Hobbit, and then enter. So here you can see one entry, it's returning. So it's having key, title, and title value, price, and its value. So now next let me search ft.search book index and title, let's say O file search. So if I O file search, I will not get any result. So here you can see integer is 0. So this are some default stop words list. So here like the, is, at, which, on, off. So these will be like ignored by search. If I'll search any other, let's say game, so then you can see Game of Thrones is coming. So now let's search by price. So here I'm just writing now star. So star index that all documents that are indexed under books idx, so that will be all be considered. So now write filter price 10 to 20, so there is no entry. So now let me change filter price 10 to 20, and let me pass proper name, so that is price. So here now you can see two entries are coming in the range of price 10 to 20. You can also search let's say game, and after that you pass star. So whichever is there after game, you that will be fetched in this result. So here Game of Thrones is coming. So other than that also you can use is like star, and here you can write limit that only 0 to 2 you want. So two entries it came. Sort by also you can do. So here write sort by, and any particular like price if you want. So then write price ascending, so that will be returned as ascending. So if you just want title also in return, so that also you can pass. So here write return title, one title. So here you can see now in response only title is returned. So next in or also you can search or one or more entries if you want to search. So here write game, and pipe is used for or, and then hobbit. So here you can see two results are now returned that contains game and hobbit. So you can delete also if you want any particular record to be deleted from that particular index. So write ft.delete, write name of index, that is box idx, and now then pass your which one you want to remove. So pass key name. So books 2 I'm passing, let's say. So that will be deleted. So now let's search again. So now you can see only one is returned as entry 2 is been deleted from this index. So now for suggestion add, so simply you use ft.suggestion add, that will add a word to suggestions, and then if you will get that, so these suggestions will be like fetched based on whichever user is typing. so you can try this on your own. So that's all in this video. So in this video I have covered basics of commands of Redis search module. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't done, then comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.